A dollar might turn to a million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Be the last one out to get this dough. Don't wait,